Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack. Today I'll be showing you how to change location on iPhone. So guys, if you ever wondered how to do that, first things first is you can just simply go ahead and go to the settings into your phone. And now once you are here, you can just simply go ahead and scroll down guys until you see over here General. And now once you are here on the general, you just simply scroll down a little bit again. And you should be able to see here the language and the region. So go ahead and select language and region. And pretty much over here, you should be able to select region over here. Go ahead and tap on it. And pretty much you will have a variety of options over here that iPhone has to offer. And you could also utilize the search bar at the top, and pretty much you should be able to change it up, and you can just simply tap on it. And as you can see down below, applying this setting will restart your iPhone. So go ahead and select change to the specific region that you want in order for you to change the location, and pretty much it will update your iPhone. And down below you should be able to have other options as well, like adding a language or calendar, and mostly other stuff that you might want to consider. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. And thanks for watching.